Hello, welcome to Peter Watson's. My name's Tom, I'm the sales executive here at the garage. Today I'm just going to be taking you around this Skoda Yeti that we currently have in stock. Comes with lots of extras including rear parking sensors, leather seats, heated seats and cruise control. But without further ado, let's take a look. So there you go. So if you are interested in this vehicle or indeed any of the others on our website, please do give us a call on 01756 792 911. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Cheers now. Bye bye.